Janine, walang katumbas ang kaligayahan sa piling ni Baba Eco. So in love and happy. Palaisipan pa rin sa Econin supporters ni Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales kung saan nga bang bansa nagtungo ang magsing irog, kung saan bukas October 2 ay birthday na ng actress. Samantala, nagbahagi si Janine ng video sa kanyang Instagram kung saan so happy siya sa naging trip nila ni Eco sa Africa. Ayon pa nga sa dalaga, day 1 of Serengeti dreaming, leopard sighting, so beautiful, big 5 and luck. Na tila dream come true nga ito sa dalaga. Hindi nga akalain ng actress na makakarating siya sa ganitong lugar na punong-puno ng wild animals. Super nag-enjoy talaga sila ni Eco at sinulit ang bakasyon galore. Samot-sari naman ang naging reaksyon ng kanilang mga tagahanga.
I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in.
What a dream! Ito ang totoong maganda. Kahit walang makeup, sobrang ganda mo talaga, Janine. Wow! Just wow! OMG! Super happy, new guys. Our ship is so happy. Such happy kids. Having the time of their lives. So happy for our Econin. Wow, ang daming safari. Before it's just a movie, but now, real na real. You experience to see them live. You'll cherish for life at Janine Gutierrez. Unforgettable experience. Hi ate, love today's my birthday and it would mean the world. A happy birthday from you. Wow, amazing. I am naiiyak. It's really nakakaiyak, Lord. So amazing. Truly the best and unforgettable experience. Ever Econin, you're the best. Happiest birthday, Irish. For tomorrow, I love you from Milan. Amazing, what a great adventure. Love this place. Wow, amazing. Kaributena. Happy birthday in a few hours, Janine Gutierrez. Stay happy and in love. Hakuna Matata, Kaributina. Ang ganda ni Nini, happy birthday. Wow, parang movie. You should go ate. Enjoy, Econin. So beautiful mo talaga, Janine. Econin, your Baba Eco. Look so happy. The best feeling shared with your Baba at Jericho Rosales official. Happy birthday, Janine. Stay happy and love, love, love. So happy for you, my love. Cute ng lovebirds. Well, kitang-kita naman kina Janine at Eco kung gaano kasaya sa kanilang naging adventure at one of the best unforgettable experience sa lovely couple. Happy birthday, Janine! Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.